Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make poached eggs using cling film. First, take a piece of cling film, about 8 to 10 inches square, and lightly grease the inside with a tiny bit of oil or cooking spray. Then, carefully line a small bowl or ramekin with the greased film, making sure there's enough overhang. Gently crack one fresh egg into the center of the film-lined bowl. This setup is key for a perfect shape. Next, carefully gather the edges of the cling film around the egg. Twist the film tightly at the top to create a secure, sealed pouch, ensuring no air pockets remain inside with the egg. You want the egg to be snug. While you're doing this, bring a pot of water to a gentle simmer, not a vigorous boil. The water should have small bubbles but not be rapidly boiling. Now, gently lower the sealed egg pouch into the simmering water. Be careful not to drop it in too quickly. For a beautifully runny yolk, cook the egg for approximately 3 to 4 minutes. If you prefer a slightly firmer yolk, you can extend the cooking time by another 30 seconds to 1 minute. The cling film keeps the egg together, ensuring a consistent cook. Once cooked to your liking, use a slotted spoon to carefully lift the egg pouch out of the simmering water. Place it on a plate for a moment to cool slightly. Then, gently unwrap the cling film from around your perfectly poached egg. You'll be left with a beautifully shaped, delicious poached egg ready to enjoy on toast, avocado, or whatever you desire. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.